tawang Pangulo.
I'd like to dispense with the reading of the, kasi nandito na, kilalaman nyo lahat. I do not have to repeat it every time I face you, but it's getting dark, or it is dark already. I'm here to visit you, and first of all, really to greet you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sa panahon ko, sabi ko nga dito sa loob kanina mga opisyal ninyo na at no time in the history na may patron kayo, patron na politika. Patron in the sense that I believe in a strong military and a strong police. Until now, Mindanao remains to be a lawless island. And could you give the order of Tikas Pahinga, sir? Bakbakan sila hanggang ngayon. And of course, the fight in the tip of the island, medyo magulo hanggang ngayon. At we continue to suffer losses, lives of course, mas importante, and the wounded. Gusto kong pumunta na naman, but you know, I am leaving for Cambodia sa bukas. I've been trying to sort out really why I have to visit these countries. You know, ayaw ko kung ako lang, napipilitan lang ako because ang foreign policy natin is to get to know yung ASEAN countries. It would maybe someday work for our benefit because we have a cohesiveness at magkaisa tayo dito. The world is really a troubled one. Nagkakampo-kampo kasi it started with the EU. Mga Europeans gusto nila magkampo tapos limitado ka tayo dito, ganun. The impose so many restrictions make it impossible really for us to do business. That's quite good. So, ang ginawa natin is tayo rin na ASEAN was born. Medyo kailangan ko raw na makakilala sila and maybe to return the visits that was made many years ago. I have to go there to just to renew to Singapore. Tapos pa uwi na ako. Meron akong mga kausap. I don't know if I would tell you this, but yung China is pressing me na nandyan na yung armas, tatanggapin ko na apurado sila. Marami pa akong gagawin. Sabi ko na lang kay Defense Secretary, sabi ko, puntahan mo sila doon at kunin mo na. I suppose that we can send some general to receive. Magkakahiyaan na Nandiyan na yung armas, gusto nila ibigay. So it's really very easy for us. Hadit bin na pareho ang hindi na tayo kailangan maghingi pa sa iba because they're willing to give it, hindi naman free, but it's a grant actually. If it's a grant payable in 25 years, that is really practically giving. Basta grant, tapos ang terms of payment, another 25 years may extension, balibigay na yan. So it's obvious na gustong China magbigay sa atin. Another thing, sabi ko, alam ko na sakit sa loob. Yung iba, itong away natin sa NPA, pati yung ceasefire ngayon. Alam mo, presidente ako ninyo, buong bayan. You know, we have to somehow end this war. This has been going on for 45 years. Do you mean to say another 45 years? So, I have to end somehow this generation. Baka, yung iba na matagal na serbisyo, alam ko masakit sa inyo yan. But you have to understand me and the rest of the Filipino people. Mas lalo ng kalaban natin, Pilipino rin, medyo kailangan hintuin talaga natin to. This has been dragging on for 45 years. Sana magkaroon kayo ng pagtingin sa akin. I'm not a communist. I am just a Filipino, period. I'm just doing it for the sake of my country. Yung sa Mindanao, talagang tingin ko, lalo na yung Basilan, Pasisulo. It's either really we have to fight it out for another long time. I really do not know. But one thing is sure, terrorism is coming in our way, whether we like it or not. Lalo na yung sa Mindanao, they pretend or they are already maybe ISIS connected na. And remember that matatapos yan sila dyan sa Middle East. If they are driven out of a land base dyan, wala na silang mapuntahan, magpunta dito sila sa atin. Ideally, it should be Indonesia, Malaysia, Mindanao. Kasi maraming ating mga kapatid na Moro, Muslim. Kasi hindi naman lahat sympathetic sa gobyerno. The danger is they might. So that's one thing. Let us just concentrate on one front. Mabutit na nga nahinto na yung... Pero may mga... may mga... Hindi naman alitan, but I do not like to... Kasi recently, I wanted them to start the talks. But gusto nila 130 na naman ang i-release ko. Sabi ko, no. I cannot. As a matter of fact, I considered too much too soon. Sabi ko, hanggang dyan lang ako. Ngayon, bahala na ako. Terminated then. Terminated, but I cannot be forever. Nandiyan, pinalabas ko na yung mga leader ninyo, lahat na. Nandoon na nga sa Norway. So, what more do you ask of us? Hindi ko, maubusan ako ng barahan niya, release ako ng release. So, pero dito, it's holding. Mindanao, medyo hirap. I hope we'd have a peaceful Christmas. Sa Hulo, Basilan, well, I don't know, but I cannot even project a timeline there where we can have peace. We'll have to continue fighting and I might call on you again. And let me tell you now that with gratitude ang Filipino people. I know, I'm on the ground. Happy ang Pilipino sa inyo. And I'm more than satisfied by your performance. Sabi ko nga, wala kayong ibang makita na patron except for a few president na hindi naman spoiled, but you get the first every round. Pag may pera talaga, sabi ko, anything that you ask, lahat na, sabi ko, okay lang ako ng okay. It's because I want you to be in tip-top condition, high moral, at back up kayo ng commander-in-chief ninyo, whatever. Basta sa trabaho, akin yan. Basta ang military police may ginawa in performance of duty sa trabaho ninyo, eventually akin yan. It's me that will have to assume all responsibility. That is how I guarantee you. Basta magtrabaho lang kayo. Tapos sundin lang ninyo. Huwag naman niya magbabaril tayo na tinalian na, nakakahiya naman niyang gano'n. Tsaka alam ko hindi niyo ginagawa yan. Ngayon sabi na nakatali ng tao, nakaluhod. No? Do not do that. You will destroy the image of the Filipino soldier. We do it with honor always. Pero yung sabi niya kaso that you maybe sabi na makakaso-kaso, forget it. I will defend you. Just do your duty. So, ngayong Christmas, baka may konti ako. Dadating yan sa mga kampo-kampo siguro ninyo. Up to the level ng batalyon. Gusto ko pagbigyan kayo. We have enough savings. There's not enough for everybody, but a little for anybody sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Again, may I greet you, Merry Christmas, and since there is no, agawan lang ito ng influenza ngayon, vis-a-vis with DNP, hayaan mo na lang. Yan ang gusto nila. At, baka gusto rin lang malaman na marami nagsusurrender na kasi nasanay na sa, itong lull sa fighting. And they like it also. So I congratulate you for a job well done. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi.
Thank you, Mr. President. At this point, may we request our President Rodrigo Roa Duterte for the photo opportunity. For the first batch, may we request the generals and the commanders to please come up the stage to join the President.